Hi everyone, welcome to Sugar Cosmetics YouTube channel, and today's video is on power of makeup. I'm beginning by filling in my eyebrows using the Arch Arrival Eyebrow Powder in the shade Felix Onyx. For eyeshadow, I'm taking the Blend the Rules eyeshadow palette in the variant Warrior. I'm picking up a warm brown matte shade on a blending brush and applying that as a transition all over the crease. Then I'm taking this beautiful popping gold eyeshadow on a flat eyeshadow brush and applying that to the 2/3 of my eyelids. Again, gonna pick up the brown shade to deepen up the outer corners of my eyes. To deepen my outer corners further, I'm taking this matte black eyeshadow on a pencil brush and applying that to the very outer corners of my eyes. I'm gonna prime my face using the base of Glory Pore Minimizing Primer. This is gonna fill in any pores and create a smooth, even canvas before you apply your makeup. For foundation, I'm using the Ace of Base Foundation Stick in the shade Romano and applying that for that full coverage effect. To conceal my under eyes, I'm taking the Sugar Cosmetics Magic Wand Concealer in the shade Corn Panna and also to highlight the rest of the face as well. To bake and set my face, I'm using the All Set to Go Banana Powder and baking underneath my eyes to prevent any creasing, also on my laugh lines, and then I'm gonna go ahead and define my lower lash line using the same brown eyeshadow as well as the matte black eyeshadow. For eyeliner, I'm taking this Graphic Jam eyeliner in a black shade and I'm gonna create a super bold dramatic winged eyeliner. Love how pigmented and jet black this eyeliner is, and it is waterproof as well. Coating my eyelashes using the Lash of Titan's volumizing mascara, which adds a lot of volume from coating my top and bottom eyelashes. To define my face, I'm using the Contour de Force face palette in the variant Vivid Victory, and I'm going to use that to contour and add blush and highlight to the cheek area. For lipstick, I'm using the Good Modi's lip crayon in a red shade and applying that to one half of my lips and finishing off the makeup by using some Grand Finale setting mist in the matte variant. And this is the final result of power of makeup.